Hey, and welcome to Tech Pro Men. Friends, I'm back with a video wherein I will be showing you about screw extraction of a damaged head screw or a bolt. I'll show you the method in which you can do the extraction of a broken screw or a damaged head screw which is stuck. It is a rust which is bonded with the threads and the screw is stuck. In that case, what to do, what not to do, what all techniques you can use, what all tips you can use, I'll let you know in the coming video. So let's start it right now. Let's see my bike. It was my scooty wherein there was a collar screw which was stuck. The head was broken and it was damaged while I tried to unscrew it, but it didn't come out. So I tried 3 different methods to get it extracted and I'll show you all the 3. I hope you had a view of the screw. The head is damaged and I was trying to unscrew it, but the rust and the bond of the rust has made this happen. Hey, to start with, you need to spray WD-40 on the threads so that the rust bond gets loosened up, and use an appropriate screwdriver to unscrew it, be it plus or in minus. If it does not, then we will jump to method number 2. Before we jump on to attaching into the drill, let me show you the bit or the driver bit or the extraction bit, and let me zoom in to it. This is the bit and it has 2 faces, 1 and 2. First number is the boring bit. It goes into the screw head or the bolt head and it has to be in the reverse direction. So it has to move counterclockwise in order to bore that damaged part. Why bored? Because this is the extraction bit, that is the part 2. So this has to be fixed and a bit hammered so that it fits into the bore, and then again counterclockwise so that the screw gets extracted. Phase number 1, boring. Phase number 2, extraction. Let's see it. In this method, the socket, I call it socket because for a screw like this, it is extracted. You see, I unscrewed it out, and that method worked. So for that to work, if you see the head over here, I have made a saw cut. The saw has been used to cut. It is this. This is the saw cut. Why? Just to make a larger flat head screwdriver to fix into this and unscrew it, because the original head was damaged. I hope you are able to see this. So this screw came out. So on method number 3 it came out. The previous two method didn't work because this is a rust bond that had created this screw to get jammed. Okay, but when I used the saw cut and a larger flathead screwdriver, it unscrewed. Technique number 4, use a welding equipment, but it's hazardous. For using a welding equipment, take a nut and weld it on the head of that screw or the broken bolt. Try to unscrew it by an impact wrench. I hope you like my video. The tutorial was informative and would be helpful to you. Okay, bye bye till the next video.